Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Traverse LT. This vehicle is featured in deep gray metallic paint with alloy rims. We have rear privacy tint, power liftgate, dual sunroofs, heated leather seats, as well as a heated steering wheel, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Now moving on to the interior of the Traverse. On our door panel we can see our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls. Below that is our Bose speaker, liftgate controls, and storage. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and lumbar support. And then left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls, our gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather wrapped heated steering wheel, push start, infotainment screen with backup camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Then behind that we have a storage compartment, fully felt lined, our radio and dual zone climate controls, heated seat options, and our charging outlets underneath. Here we have our key. You can see we have our remote start and our liftgate release. Gear selection stock, 2 cup holders, 4-wheel drive controls, an electric park brake, padded leather center console lid with copper stitching, and the front seats are also featured in black leather with copper stitching. And again, they're heated and power adjustable. Our rear view mirror has a built-in backup camera, and we have our OnStar controls above, as well as a gray headliner and dual sunroofs. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps, paint match mirror caps and door handles, chrome Traverse badging, and then chrome lock and unlock buttons on all the door handles. We have our rear privacy tint, and around to the back we have our Traverse all-wheel drive and LT badging, all featured in chrome, dual exhaust, black Chevrolet badge. You can see our backup cameras there. We can activate our power liftgate by pressing the button underneath. Now moving on to the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. We also have a padded leather armrest back here, same as the front. We have our leather magazine holders back of the front seats. Back of the center console area, we have our rear climate controls and charging outlets. Our rear seats, we have a bucket up here with fold-down leather armrest. They're also on rails, so we can slide them forward and backwards. Then in the far rear, you can see one folded down there is our 60-40 split. And off to either side of that, we have a cup holder as well as a charging outlet. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Traverse LT. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.